Hi everyone. I'm just doing my weekly weigh-in and product review. Yay! I have got the Quest cookies. This one's the peanut butter, and this one is the chocolate chip. Now I have actually had both of these before. The chocolate chip I had found at Target and took on the road to me when we took our trip up to North Carolina. They are really good, and I found the peanut butter ones at a Raleigh gas station by our house, and was going to bring it home and do a product review with it, but I was hungry, so that didn't happen. So the 7-Eleven, actually 7-Eleven carries Quest bars, and these two, I'm trying to get it so it's the peanut butter and the chocolate chip. There we go. Chocolate chip of the cookies. And actually 7-Eleven carries a pretty good variety. That's where I got the Bang drinks from a couple videos back. Or maybe it was my last one. I don't know. It's been a week. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crack open the chocolate chip. They are both pretty good, actually. They're a decent sized cookie. It's one cookie. They're pretty expensive. It's like something like $2.50 or $2 and change for the cookies per cookie. Now I think Target you can buy a set of them. I think it's like 5 cookies for like $7 or $6 or something like that. And they, honest to God, they look like a cookie. And they actually do break apart like a soft cookie. So, they are good, and they taste good too. I think, what do they use? Let me see. Okay, the soluble corn fiber and the erythritol. Okay, I guess that's it. Now, I have seen other reviews of them where people are like, they taste like something I've had before. Like another brand of cookie. They're chewy like the Keebler chewy cookies. To me, they taste like grandma's brand cookies. You know, those ones, they used to sell them in my high school. And they come in little like packs of 2. That's the texture and the taste of these kind of remind me of that. Like grandma's were sort of an odd tasting cookie to me anyway. I loved them, but they were kind of odd. That's what these taste like. They're good. They're good. I'm not knocking them, but they're, yeah, grandma's cookies. If you ever had grandma's cookies, that's what these guys taste like. So, the Quest cookies are good. The peanut butter is good, but it doesn't have as much peanut butter flavor as I'd like in it. But it's still good. And, I'm looking at them. Let's see. The chocolate chip are, for one cookie, it's 250 calories, 17 grams of fat, 15 grams of protein, 19 total carbs, 9 dietary fiber, and 6 erythritol. Which, oh God, don't ask me to do math. Which is 4 net carbs per cookie. Chocolate chip. And the peanut butter ones are very similar, 150 calories, 17 fat, 15 protein, 18 total carbs, 9 dietary fiber, and 4 erythritol. So, at least I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I assume so, that's what it looks like. So we're going to go with that. 4 erythritol. So again, 4 net carbs per cookie. So those are good. Time for my weigh-in of the week. I have good news. And I hope y'all can see me okay. It is really, really dark in here. I've got like both of my screens up on my computer trying to illuminate things. Our light is broken in our room, and it is raining outside. It's your typical, what time is it? 5:30. It is your typical Florida thunderstorm rolling through Tampa Bay. And so it is really, really dark. So my poor camera is trying to cope with all of the darkness and then this bright light in my face. So, yeah, I apologize if things look weird or fuzzy, or like all of a sudden I get really bright and then it darkens out again. But good news on my weigh-in, actually. Just due to life and stress and things that are going on, I haven't weighed myself in a while. When I got back from our last trip, I think I got back, I don't remember. I know I put it in one of the videos. I should write these things down. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I think I was like 307 when we got back from the trip. Within a couple of days, I'd taken that weight off. I was back down to the 305, and I'd kind of bounced around there for quite a while, which doesn't surprise me. I mean, I tend to sort of plateau after a while and then go down again. But I had been bouncing around there forever, and the fact that we've got a lot of stressors right now, I really wasn't losing a lot of weight. So just the other day, I just happened to weigh myself for grins and giggles, and my weight was down to 301.4, which surprised me. I really wasn't expecting any kind of weight loss. And then today I weighed myself again, and I was 301.2. So it looks like the weight loss maybe has started up again, and I might be going down. I'm kind of holding my breath, because this is the time that I stalled out last time. Just sort of the cusp of getting into the 200s, and I just stopped losing weight. So I'm really hoping that things pick up again and I start losing weight again and all is well with the world. I think I'm getting ready. I forget which video it is, but I think I've got a video coming up. Actually, that one might not be a cooking one. I don't remember what I've posted. I know I had a chicken salad one and a Tex-Mex casserole that I had done with like ground beef and taco seasoning. I think the chicken salad's already posted, so I think it's just the Tex-Mex one that needs to be posted after this. So by the time this one's up, that one should be up, hopefully. We'll see what the world brings. But my husband and my eldest monkey are off to their game night, and so I will be editing things. So I'm going to go finish at least half of this cookie. And if I think of anything else to tell you, I'll tell you. But if not, then we'll see you later. Bye.